We love JDM sports cars at Deluxe, and here we have a brand new Nissan Z. Let's get it ceramic coated. If you guys are looking to get this kind of shaving cream thick snow foam on your car, you can get our snow foam and our snow foam lances from shop.deluxe.com.au.
All right, so we have our Z in here after our decon. We're about to check out what our paint condition is like, but we've had a look in the sun, you know, it's a little bit dirty, but we're probably aiming for a yellow pad, middle of the road, nice finishing polish, take out some wash marks and be able to gloss up this paint. Then it's time to lay down some Crystal Serum Ultra. Once the Ultra's on, we can go EXO, Ultra Black, let's go.
Right, we've just finished the machine polishing stage on the Nissan Z, and we actually encountered something that we haven't really encountered before on new cars, and that was the protective plastic that's laid on the car during transport to protect it. It seems like the adhesive has actually etched or burnt into the clear coat a little bit, so we had to two-stage some sections to level that down. Now, we did go around with the paint thickness gauge and measure this paint, and it's quite thin at around 90 to 100 microns. So we can't attack this too heavy, but what we're trying to do is just level that adhesive etching down so we can get the paint nice and glossy. And now we're going to prep wipe the car, and in preparation for application of Crystal Serum Ultra, and then we'll wait an hour and top it with EXO version 5. So we've got Tinting Crystal Serum Ultra on the car. That's the 9-year ceramic coating. Now this customer has opted to upgrade it to Crystal Serum Ultra Black, which means we're putting on an additional layer of Tinting EXO version 5. Now version 5 only came out in the last couple of weeks. They've had version 4 for about 5 years or so now. Version 5 is even more hydrophobic and performs better in 1 layer than version 4 did in 2 layers. So an excellent add-on to Ultra to kind of turbocharge it, give it extra gloss, extra self-cleaning, and extra hydrophobic properties. So we need to wait an hour between coating to let that cure before we can top it with EXO. But since we started the car, it's probably been an hour now, so we can go straight into EXO.
and we are done. We have one of these new Zs here, and it's come up, I think, pretty well. We're trying to get convinced, and I think we're almost there. We've done our single stage, our Ultra, our Exo, 4 wheels, all glass coating and ceramic window tint. Real dark tint, actually. Yeah, this is a pretty dope ride now, protected to the sky, we'll say. Yeah, if you guys are looking to get your race car protected, check us out.
I mean, what would you guys go for? The new Z?
Supra. Yeah, the Supra.
Rivalry there.
Yeah.
I don't know, I like this thing. I like the Supra. This does come in a manual though.
This does come in a manual, so this is sort of winning, but then the Supra is like BMW, so like that's sort of winning. So who wants to let us drive their cars?
What would you pick, Supra or Z? Guys, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Remember, if you need any maintenance products, head over to shop.deluxedetail.com.au. Pick yourself up wash kits, drying towels, coating kits, so you can do this to your car and good. Until the next one.
Peace.
We'll see you then.
And like, comment, subscribe.
Peace.
Out.